Now, pet owners love their fur babies, but sometimes they come with that little extra scent that can take over the home. So if you're on a mission to eliminate your dog smells, I've got some tips that will help you freshen things up without a lot of hassle. First up, let's talk about bedding. Your dog's bed is usually ground zero for that distinctive dog smell. So we're going to give your dog bed a quick vacuum to get rid of any food crumbs and hair. This will make the wash much more effective. Then toss it in the washing machine with a pet-safe detergent and a splash of white vinegar. Now, vinegar, being a natural deodorizer, will cut through those tough odours and leave those fabrics smelling fresh. Now, for the carpets around your home, sprinkle some baking soda before you vacuum. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. It will then absorb and freshen up the carpet fibres. Plus, baking soda is totally safe for your pets. And if you can, invest in a pet vacuum with a HEPA filters. They trap the allergens and smells and keeping the air cleaner for you and your dog. Now for a freshening spray, grab an empty spray bottle, fill it up mostly with water, add a splash of white vinegar and add a drop or two of lavender or rosemary essential oils, which are both pet friendly to dogs. Give it a good shake to mix it all together. Just spray a light sprint on furniture and carpets. Use only when your dog is not present and allow it to dry completely before allowing your pets back into the room. Now, of course, we need to keep our pups clean, so regular baths and grooming session will reduce the odours that come off them and linger around the home. Just be sure to use a mild, pet-safe shampoo that won't dry out their skin. Now, with these easy steps, your home will be smelling fresh and inviting again. Now, just a bit of a routine and the right products, and you'll have those doggy odours under control in no time. Got any pet odour fighting tips? Drop them in the comments section below. Now, check out the next video coming up.